Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're underneath my 2016 Infiniti QX-80 and we're going to change out the switch for my air suspension. There's the new switch right there. What's been going on is it works sometimes, not all the time. And I got this on Amazon Prime Day. I want to say it was like 30 bucks for the switch, normally like 50 bucks. So we're gonna go with the cheap option first and see if this works. Like I said, it does work sometimes, but it doesn't work all the time. So let's get started on taking this thing apart. I lubed up the bolts already ahead of time because they were a little rusted. Hopefully that they'll come out a lot easier. So let's get started with this thing. First of all, we're going to take the switch or unplug it. I might have to jack this up so I can get my other arm in there. All right, now I'm able to get my other arm in there. Let's see if I can get that pulled apart. There, that was easy enough. All right, yeah, that made a lot better room with me raising this up. I thought I could do without, but no. Sometimes you think you can do it one way, but you have to modify. So now we're gonna take, there's 3 screws, bolts, 3, 1, 2, 3. This looks like a number 10 millimeter. So I figure I'll do this before the snow flies. All right, there's 1 screw. Gonna have to hit it with some lubricant. All right, the next one. Number 2 is out. I'm not getting enough angle there, so I'm going to use a deep well number 10. Let's see. This is the number 10. You betcha. Okay. All right. Well, one of my fears is I thought I would snap these off, because last night when I looked at these were rusted, and I thought, oh boy, what if I snap these off? Then what? But they look pretty good. Coming off real nice. All right. Got the old part out, just like so. I'll put the new one in. I'm gonna get some thread stuff so that they're not so rusted. Hang tight. Okay, I put some fluid film on them. Now it's time to put the new one up. I want to make sure that that works. I'm just finger tightening these bolts. All right. Torque them to the right foot-pounds. Like you need the foot-pounds on here. Alright, now that I got all 3 bolts tightened up, let's plug it in and see. Oh, and then I gotta snap it in place. There we go, you hear the click? That's right, I gotta pull this piece of plastic. I gotta get a pliers to pull that out. Hang on. Okay, I need to pull that piece of plastic out because the new one has it. So, gotta need on those pliers. There we go. Pulled it out. The new one's gonna snap right in. There, it's all snapped in. Everything's nice and tight. Let's see if it works. Let me clear out the stuff on the bottom here, the tools. Let's see if it works. Wow, it really raised it up. Holy cow. No, I'm just being a smart ass. My jack has got the vehicle up. Okay, you can hear it working. You can hear it working. Hopefully that does the trick. It's raising the, you can kind of see it raising the body up. So hopefully that works. I know it wasn't the air compressor because that was working. The only other thing would be the shocks were bad. It should shut off automatically. Shuts off, and now you can tell. Before I couldn't put my fist in here, and now you can. So hopefully that takes care of the height adjustment problem, because I want to get a trailer and I don't want it to squat. So alright, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everyone that does subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll have another video coming up real soon. Appreciate everybody watching.